So we've got a screen for an iPhone 14, and I'm going to show you how it's done. This is a relatively straightforward, there's not much to it. But yeah, with that said, a couple of things we're going to need. An opening tool. I use a iFixit Jimmy. I may or may not use heat. I would highly suggest, if you aren't familiar or if you don't do a lot of repairs, to definitely use heat. But the most important thing of all is isopropyl alcohol. And then we sort of work our way around. Now I'm going to try and not break this OLED because these things are worth money. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Just know, so this is our screen, our flex is on this side. Obviously, it depends on where your screen is broken. I mean, for the average, I don't know, DIYer, you don't really need to preserve the old screen that much. Like I said, I am, because these things are worth money. Now that we are about here, so if you have a Jimmy, the screen is open about no more than the length of that. We can now work on the screen. We are going to have these two brackets to get past right here, there and there. And Apple went and made this stupid easy. And we have a tri-wing there, and then there are also these little hooks. So we're then going to come in with a spudger, disconnect. Now, reconnecting is a little bit more difficult than disconnecting, as Apple hid the battery underneath the back glass. So it is very important when you reconnect the flex to the connector that you don't rub the two against each other, as you can accidentally bridge two things that shouldn't be bridged. So just, yeah, be careful. Now, make sure you don't have any shards of glass along the perimeter or just sticking up at a weird angle or any place they're not supposed to be. Once we seat our screen properly, we just come along, close it up.